What's up guys, this is my first time doing a hair tutorial and I'm going to show you guys how I detox my hair after taking down a protective hairstyle. So I've taken my braids down already, and also make sure you like, share, and subscribe below. I've also sectioned my hair off into 4 sections so we can go ahead and apply this natural hair conditioner. You know how when we first take down our protective hairstyles, we always try to find a leave-in conditioner or a deep conditioner to detangle our hair because we always have a hard time with detangling it. Well, I have a natural remedy, and Shay Carter, if you're watching this, thank you so much for introducing me to this remedy because my hair is very thick and woolly. This is consisted of apple cider vinegar and warm water to detox your hair, detangle your hair. It's like a natural conditioner, and it makes your hair so soft and brings out your natural curl pattern. It also smells. It has a smell to it. So I've been natural for about 9 years, and this is the first time I've had something that I can use to condition my hair and detangle it all at one time and enhance the growth 2 times more than what I was using. And I was introduced to this 2 years ago by Shay Carter. Once again, thank you so much for introducing me to this product. So you're gonna spray the apple cider vinegar and warm water on your root. You're gonna start from your scalp. And when you get ready to comb, make sure that you start from your ends and not your root, because you don't want to pull your hair out. You know, you don't want to cause too much stress on your hair follicles. Also, as you continue to apply the apple cider vinegar and warm water, you want to make sure that you section off your hair and continue to spray your scalp, not just your hair but your actual scalp, with the apple cider vinegar and warm water so that you can stimulate it. And once you continue to spray it on there, you can also just spray just a little on the rest of your hair. I do it just a little extra because my hair is currently damaged due to the color. But with further videos, I'm going to show you guys how the progress works with healthier masks. So once you continue to apply the apple cider vinegar, you're going to section it off and twist it so that it can be applied individually to each strand and hair follicle. And it locks in the moisture, and it continues to stimulate your scalp and your hair, especially if you have color in your hair. You want to make sure that your hair continues to stay healthy, and I will have more treatments and hair masks coming soon to my channel. But like I said, just make sure that you subscribe below so that you can see further videos. So now I'm just gonna spray just a little bit more on my hair, on my scalp and edges, so that I can massage the product within my scalp. After that, you get a scrunchie or a rubber band and put all of your twists into one little bun so that you can prepare to get a shower cap to put over your head so that you can let that sit for at least approximately 10 minutes. All it got in my eye, but it doesn't really burn. So you're just going to put a shower cap on your head and you're going to let your hair sit for at least 10 minutes. Before I go, there's one last tip that I wanted to give you guys. Never use a towel to dry off your hair. Always use a microfiber towel, a turban, or a t-shirt to dry off your hair, because these towels cause damage and split ends, and you don't want that. Also, I would love to give you guys more hair care tips. Just make sure you like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification button below for my future hair care and future videos on my YouTube channel. Thank you guys.